We at UTCIS want to speak to you briefly about spill prevention control and countermeasure plans. This video is being produced to inform you about open enrollment classes for SPCC and stormwater pollution prevention. What is SPCC Plan? SPCC Plan is a plan designed to prevent oil discharges from reaching navigable waters of the United States and its adjoining shorelines. This regulatory requirement is applied to any facility meeting certain criteria. For a facility to be subject to the SPCC rule, it must meet 3 criteria. Number 1, the location must be a non-transportation related activity. An example might be a manufacturing plant. Number 2, the site must have an aggregate above-ground storage capacity for oil greater than 1,320 gallons or have underground storage capacity in excess of 42,000 gallons. And finally, number 3, there must be a reasonable expectation of a discharge into navigable waters of the United States. What is a non-transportation related facility? Here is a list from EPA's website. This list includes industrial, commercial, agricultural, or public facilities that, in other words, use or otherwise use oil or oil products. What qualifies as oil storage capacity? Oil storage capacity includes containers storing oil at a facility which are equal to or greater than 55 gallons. This includes, but is not limited to, tanks, containers, drums, and transformers. It is not uncommon for transformers to have large quantities, such as the picture here, that shows a transformer capable of holding 719 gallons of oil. These are overlooked many times when calculating oil capacity. You may be asking, how do I determine if my facility could reasonably discharge oil into or upon navigable waters or adjoining shorelines? There's really no quantitative way to measure the term reasonable discharge. A good rule of thumb: if the containers are in the state of Tennessee and it rains on them, and the storm water runs off their facility, these containers have a reasonable expectation of being able to discharge oil into or upon navigable waters. What is oil? The definition of oil includes non-petroleum oils, synthetic oils, animal fats, oils and greases, vegetable oils, and other oils. Fuels such as gasoline and diesel are also included as part of this calculation. What are the consequences for not having an SPCC plan when one is required? Non-compliance fines are $27,500 per violation per day as a maximum violation. As an example, it was determined a facility needed an SPCC and that they met their requirement a year ago. These calculations came out to be over $800,000 in fines per month and over $10 million in fines per year. Generally, most companies are never penalized that much, but the law provides for heavy fines for noncompliance. It is not uncommon to see fines that range from $30,000 to $100,000, depending on the situation. Check out our upcoming schedule for workshops at a location near you.